Ka Central Riboy Cricket Association CRCA ha kasian beringkong kelas dang ya kalempong ile kai cricket ya kabla tipkum ka first Central Riboy Cricket League araja arpunrio kabla penle kai ru de dues ball. Ketika lempong ile kai cricket kelas dang ha ka arpoi trik leber araja arpunrio hamadan Sngi Patarim Riboy District ha kabau President ka Meghalaya Cricket Association MCA u James PK Sangma u belong ru MLA berim bot u menteri berim ke sarkar jala ulalong kongsan ban Plie ya ketika lempong. Lasak hilang daga jingdon u Presiden ke RBYF uba Bipul Tangkiu kum usembut kongsan mat kiwe pat ki bekentop yo SDO in bracket C u C awasti u he pulit ke district u Narayan Upadhyay u Presiden ke Shillong Cricket Association uba Peter McDonald Karsawian ki Vice President ke RBDCA uba Kremen Yuria bot uba Dipul Rentatiang u Chairman ke Sngi Town uba Rocky Shilla u Presiden berim ke RBDCA uba Plelat Tiuso bat kiwe Ki atli ki kenhon nilai kai ki boleh simbentah kadang Sngi Plie ki kentop ya ka Benris Cricket Club but ka Best of the Best Cricket Club Umīam. U James habakran lengkot ulai ro but dang kendiat Sngi la stuj la shore ya ka CRCA hendrai ka jingsin rang mensim ki noilam kentop yo President uba Don Kupar Sumer u Vice President uba Rocky Augustin Marwen but kiwe kala penla ya ki ban pen I da ki kam kata kalong ban sedang no da ka lempung hilai kai cricket but bala simbentah da ki ar pusau tri ki kenhon nilai kai beper. Hakadik Sngi sedang ke lempung ilek kai ke Best of the Best Cricket Club Umīam kala Pynliem ya ke Benris Cricket Club The Sun Run. Ke Best of the Best Cricket Club Umīam haba batting ningkong kala bu thong chispa lai pulai run daga badu saw wicket naki arpo over but ke Benris Cricket Club haba one bet ya ke thong kala hap lot ki wicket kat bakadang kamai chispa arpo pra run.
On behalf of the Meghalaya Cricket Association, thank them from the bottom of my heart for this lovely initiative that they are taking, for the kind of contribution that they are making to cricket in our state, not just in Central Riboy, but for the entire state, and for the opportunity that they are giving to all the cricketers, the amount of talent that is available in this district, to all those players. So a very big thank you to Don Sumer, to Rocky, and to all the members of Central Riboy Cricket League. As was mentioned by Don, the president of the association, that this is part of a grassroots initiative, and I cannot really say more than what he has already mentioned. Grassroots cricket is an integral and extremely important part of how cricket comes up in any state. It is actually the very foundation based on which cricket will slowly emerge and develop. I am quite surprised today that despite the amount of the teams that are participating in this league today, 24 as we were already told, that such kind of grassroots initiatives was lacking in Kyrwoh district. I'm quite surprised. But it is a pleasant surprise for me, because today, after this league tournament has been organized, we have seen that all these teams have been able to take this opportunity and participate in this league. So better late than never, and it is a very good initiative. I wish Central Kyrwoh Cricket Association all the very best in this tournament. I wish all the participating teams, the clubs, all of them, all the very best. May the best team win, but at the end of the day, may cricket win. That is from the deepest corners of my heart, my best wishes to all of you, to the entire Central Kyrwoh district, and to all the players and the participating leagues.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata, habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, page ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukam shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha. Pendon kam daki marbam medon ka sharp plus F menta ka Sngi.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.